Everyone. My name is Albert Faraday, and today I will be presenting on the topic of digital transformation strategy for local bank in Malaysia with a focus on cloud Microsoft service platform. The banking industry is changing rapidly because of digital technology. In Malaysia, we have seen the introduction of digital banks such as DX Bank and Ion Bank. These new banks are attracting customers because they provide fast, convenient, and fully digital service. The banking industry in Malaysia has experienced significant change over the past few years. Customers no longer want to visit bank branches for every transaction. Instead, they prefer to use mobile application and online banking services that are available 24 hours a day. Digital bank such as GX Bank and Ion Bank have become popular because they provide simple and convenient banking experience. Customer can open an account, transfer money, apply for loan, and manage their finance completely online. The younger generation, especially millennial and Generation Z, prefer digital banking because it saves time and provide a better user experience. This creates strong competition for the traditional bank. If local banks do not adapt to this change, customer expectation may have lose market share and become less competitive in the future. Okay. Although traditional banks have strong reputation and large customer base, they face several challenges in digital era. The first challenge is legacy system. Many banks still use old technology that was developed many years ago. These systems are complicated and difficult to upgrade. The second challenge is slow innovation. It may take several months for traditional bank to develop and launch a new feature because many systems are interconnected. The third challenge is high operational cost. Maintaining all hardware, software, and data center requires a large amount of money. Another challenge is limited flexibility. Traditional banking system cannot easily handle sudden increase in customer demand. Finally, customer expectations are changing rapidly. Customers expect fast service, personalized recommendation, and real-time banking experience. If bank cannot provide this service, customer may switch to digital bank. Therefore, local bank need a new technology approach that is more flexible, scalable, and efficient. Next. One of the most important technology that can help bank transform digitally is the cloud microservice platform. Traditional bank use a monolithic system where all banking functions are built into one large application. This means that if one part of the system has problem, the entire application may affect it. Cloud microservice work differently. Instead of building one large application, the system is divided into many smaller services called microservice. Service. Each microservice perform a specific function. For example, there can be separate service for payment, customer account, loan notification, and fraud detection. This service communication with each other through application programming interface, also known as API, because each service is independent. Bank can update or improve one service without affecting the other. This makes the entire banking system more flexible and efficient. Let us look how cloud service work in banking environment. Imagine that a customer open a mobile banking application to transfer money. The customer account service verify the user identity. Next, the payment service process the transaction. Then the fraud detection service check whether the transaction is suspicious or not. Finally, the notification service send a confirmation message to the customer. Each service work independently but communicate with other service through API. This approach offers several advantages if the bank want to improve its fraud detection system. Only the fraud service need to be updated. The rest of the banking system can continue operating normally without interruption. This is one of the bigger reason why many digital banks use cloud microservice platform. Now, for the benefit, there are many benefits of using cloud microservice platform in the banking industry. The first benefit is faster innovation. Bank can develop and release new feature much more quickly than before. The second benefit is lower operational costs. Instead of maintaining expensive physical server, bank can use cloud service and pay only for the resource they need. The third benefit is scalability. During festive season or salary days, banking transaction usually increase significantly. Cloud platform can automatically increase their resource to handle the higher demand. The fourth benefit is better reliability. If one microservice fail, the other service can continue operating. The fifth benefit is improved customer experience. Customer enjoy faster transaction, processing, fewer service interruption, and more personalized banking service. Overall, cloud microservices help bank become more agile, efficient, and customer focused. Now, strategy for the local bank to compete with digital bank is should implement several digital transformation strategy. The first strategy is in migrating the system to cloud platform. This will improve flexibility and reduce infrastructure costs. The second strategy is developing mobile first banking application because customer increasingly prefer using smartphone for banking activity. Third strategy is integrating with fintech company through API. This allows bank to provide additional service such as digital wallet and investment platform. The fourth strategy is improving customer experience through personalized recommendation and faster service delivery. The fifth strategy is using real-time data analytics to understand customer behavior and make better business decisions. By implementing this strategy, traditional bank can bridge the gap between themselves and digital bank. Now, for the real world example, is DBS Bank in Singapore. Several years ago, DBS Bank realized that traditional banking methods were no longer sufficient to meet customer expectations. The bank invested heavily in cloud computing and microservice technology. As a result, DBS was able to reduce system downtime. I launched new digital product cluster and improved customer certification. Today, DBS Bank is recognized as one of the world leading digital bank. This example shows that digital transformation is not just about adopting new technology, it's also about changing business process and creating a customer-centric culture. Malaysian Bank can learn valuable lesson from DBS Bank success. Okay, now for the future impact on Malaysian Bank. In the future, cloud microservice platform will continue to play an important role in Malaysian banking industry. Bank will be able to introduce new product more quickly and respond faster to change in the market. They can also improve cybersecurity by isolating different service and reducing the risk of system-wide failure. Customer certification is expected to increase because banking service will become faster, more reliable, and more personalized. Furthermore, bank will be better prepared to compete with digital bank and other financial technology companies. Therefore, investing in cloud microservice is not only a short-term solution but also a long-term strategy for sustainable growth. In conclusion, the banking industry in Malaysia is undergoing major digital transformation. The emergence of digital banks such as GX Bank and Eon Bank has increased competition and changed customer expectation. Traditional banks face several challenges, including legacy system, high cost, and slow innovation. Cloud microservice platform provide an effective solution because they improve flexibility, scalability, reliability, and efficiency. By adopting cloud technologies and implementing digital transformation strategies, local bank can remain competitive and continue delivering excellent service to their customer. Technology is no longer just an option for bank, it is a necessity for future success. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope this presentation has provided a better understanding how cloud microservice platform can help local bank compete in digital era.